As you can see, my migration successfully completed. And now, as you can see, this is my old WordPress website and this is my new WordPress website where I just migrated this site. Now just I'm going to reloading this site, and as you can see, my site has been successfully migrated. Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to migrate any WordPress website in just one click for totally free. So as you can see right now, I'm in my WordPress website and this site link is howto1minute25.com, and let's see the WordPress website completely. So this is my site. Now I will migrate this WordPress website into this new domain. So first of all, make sure to install WordPress on your destination domain. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and now go to plugins and add new plugin. In the search plugins box, search for Migrate Guru and search for this plugin. So this is the actual plugin we are looking for. So install and activate this Migrate Guru plugin on your WordPress dashboard. And we have to install the same plugin on our both side. So I'm going to my new WordPress dashboard and the same way going to plugin section, add new plugin, searching for Migrate Guru and installing the plugin and activate the plugin on both dashboard. Once done, go to your old dashboard and scroll down to this left hand menu. Here you will find Migrate Guru. Just click on that. Here scroll down and in this box enter here your email and check this box and click on Migrate. Select the host you are migrating to. Here scroll down and click on other host, and in this box you have to add migration key. To get your migration key, go to your destination WordPress dashboard and the same way in this left hand menu you will find Migrate Guru. Just click on that and scroll down. Here you will find migration key. All you have to need, copy your migration key from your destination WordPress dashboard and here paste the migration key, and now scroll down and all you have to need, just click on Migrate. And as you can see, migrating is started from this link to this link, and it may take some time to complete migrating. It depends on your WordPress website size. As you can see, my migration successfully completed. And now, as you can see, this is my old WordPress website and this is my new WordPress website where I just migrated this site. Now just I'm going to reloading this site, and as you can see, my site has been successfully migrated. So this is how we can easily migrate any WordPress website in just one click for free. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.